In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for writing books, 2026 full guide. Writing a full, compelling book can feel like juggling a dozen jobs at once. You're battling plot holes, formatting quirks, and piles of scattered character notes. The good news is that, in 2026, ChatGPT can act like your personal literary co-pilot and developmental editor. I'll show you how to design a personalized manuscript roadmap, streamline your narrative logistics, uncover fresh thematic angles, and build a smart editing guide that keeps your voice front and center. Let's start by building a dynamic plan that fits your exact project. Skip vague prompts like, make me a 3-day fantasy plan. Instead, give ChatGPT your genre, tone, target readers, word count range, and constraints. Use something like, act as an elite literary agent and developmental fiction planner. Create a detailed structural roadmap for a multi-chapter manuscript focused on psychological tension, subverting genre tropes, and deep character development. Avoid dense padding and generic AI cliches. Schedule chapters by emotional pacing to minimize fatigue. Include subplot milestones for beginning, middle, and end, and format it as a clean markdown table. This gives you a custom itinerary that actually reflects your goals. Next, solve the logistics before they trip you up. If you're tracking intersecting character arcs, lore rules, or a magic or technical system, ask, I'm planning world building and character logic tracking. Explain the most efficient narrative routing using standard manual tracking guidelines, include character voice profiles, internal timeline examples, pacing distribution rules, and practical tips for a clean plot continuity reference sheet. You'll walk away with a clear, maintainable system you can reference as you draft. Now keep readers hooked by discovering unexpected angles. Instead of defaulting to familiar twists, prompt, act as an insider literary critic and structural editor. Provide 5 counterintuitive plot twists, unique character flaw combinations, or niche world-building dynamics tied to modern dramatic tension, celebrated by award-winning authors but rare in mainstream self-published books. Explain what makes each unique and how to weave it into prose without shallow storytelling. This helps you avoid predictability while staying authentic. Before drafting the next block, generate a quality control checklist tailored to your goals. Create a comprehensive, categorized checklist for a major chapter review. Sections, hook intensity and scene setup, sensory imagery and texturing, dialogue authenticity, pacing rhythms. Add a pre-writing alert with pacing blind spots, passive voice boundaries, and heavy exposition pitfalls. You'll catch issues early and write with intention. Finally, pressure test your prose. Act as a master copy editor and manuscript formatting consultant. Build a structural prose assessment for my sample chapter with checks for show don't tell, sentence length variation, and thematic consistency. Break down common long-form weaknesses, suggest 3 ways to elevate descriptive phrasing without losing my voice, and present it as a manuscript review dashboard. This turns revision into a clear, actionable process. Handing off the grunt work of outlining, world building, and continuity to ChatGPT frees your energy for the craft only you can bring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.